Greetings everyone, this is Manish. I welcome you all in my yet another video in which we are going to see one more program of Programming Language C. In this program, we are going to see how to make a program to calculate simple interest and final amount. Right? Now for example, if our principal amount is 20,000, rate of interest is 12% and duration is 5 years, then simple interest formula will be this. How to imply this formula in our program, and final amount will be principal amount plus simple interest. Now before starting the explanation of this program, I would like to request you, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, like the video and share it with your friends. In this video, I am also going to explain you how can you handle floating point variables effectively and how can we control the decimal part of our floating point variables, that how many digits should come after decimal, right? For this program, we are going to use all these concepts. One is variables. We will be needing 5 floating point variables. Why 5 floating point variables? One is for principal amount, one is for rate of interest, one for duration, one for simple interest, and one for final amount, right? So 5 floating point variables will be required. Data type that will be used is float. %f is the conversion string for floating point variable. Predefined functions that we are going to use is clear screen, printf, scanf, and getch. Operators will be used, that is plus, multiply, division, and assign. Now let's see how can we make this program on a compiler. Let's have a look at this program. This program is to calculate simple interest and final amount. Now, as discussed over the board, we have taken 5 floating point variables for this program. Out of these 5 floating point variables, we are scanning 3 variables. One is for principal amount, other one is for rate of interest, and last one is for time duration. Now, all these variables have been scanned with the help of %f, right? Now %f is the conversion string for floating type variables, that is why %f have been used. Now this is how simple interest will be calculated, that is as per the formula of simple interest we have taken principal amount multiply by time multiply by rate of interest divide by 100, right? After calculating, we are calculating final amount by adding principal amount and simple interest, and in next 2 printf statements we are displaying the result, right? And within printf statements also we have used %f, which is conversion string for floating point variables. Let's run this program and see the output. Now suppose principal amount is 10,000, rate of interest is 12%, and time duration is 5 years. This is how it will be calculated. Now here in this output you can see after decimal there are 6 digits. Now if you want to control this, if you want to have less digits, then how can we do that? Let's see, right? In display, in the output, where output is displayed in printf statement, after % you may write 0.2, as we wanted to have 2 digits after decimal, that is why 0.2. So it depends on your requirement. If you need more than 2, or if you need 1 or even 0, then you can write that, right? So here we need 2 digits after decimal, that is why we are typing here 0.2. Let's see the output now, right? Suppose 10,000 is your principal amount, rate of interest is 12%, and time duration is 5. This is how your output will come, right? I'm sure you have understood this program. Keep watching my channel. I'll be back with more interesting program like this. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.